Hey guys, so it's been a while since I brought you a Boxycharm unboxing and try on my channel, so I figured it was time to do that. I know I've kind of been overloading you guys with holiday previews, holiday gift ideas, holiday try-ons, so I figured I would just do a simple makeup try-on video today. So if you would like to see what is inside my December Boxycharm and see it on my face, then just keep watching. I have a bare face other than my Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream because I wasn't exactly sure what was inside here, so let's see what's inside the box. This month's box theme is Whimsy, and it looks like inside we get an Aesthetica Pro Series brush cleaner and conditioner, which obviously I can't try today. It's not makeup, it won't go on my face. We have a Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Ooh. We have a Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. Oh, this is adorable. This is a Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Shadow Palette. It looks like an old-fashioned book, which we have a ton of on our bookshelf downstairs. And then inside, you have a shadow palette and mirror. Really, really cute. And then we have an Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Now, I love the Elemis facial oils, but I don't really enjoy rose-scented products. So let me see what this one smells like to see if I can use it at all today. Just opening the box, I'm getting an overwhelming rose scent, which I cannot put on my face. So I won't be trying this one today. So we can go ahead and try the brow product, the shadow, and the blush. So I think I'm going to start with the eyes. But this is Robin Hood. It says Maid Marian, Quiver, Nottingham Forest, Merry Men, and Robin Hoods. I just want to do quick swatches of these to see what they feel like and look like. I've never tried Storybook Cosmetics before. Okay, that's like a marigold color, like a marigold metallic. These mattes are a little underwhelming. So the metallics look really nice, but these look like they might be on the weaker side as far as mattes go, but we'll give it a try. Okay, I've zoomed you in. I'm just gonna go into Quiver, the yellow shade first as a crease color. It's definitely not a bright yellow, it's more of like a muddy yellow, so to speak. Then I'm going to go into Nottingham, this kind of tan shade, and deepen up the crease a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with Forest, this deep brown on the outer corner. Okay, next I think I'm going to go into this metallic green and put that all over the lid with my finger. That's a really nice metallic. I'm going to go back in with that brown and deepen up the outer corner again. So that looks good so far. I'm going to take a wipe and just wipe off the excess underneath the eyes, add a little bit of foundation. We'll be back to finish the eyes in just a bit. Okay, so face makeup is on. I went ahead and applied a little bit of the Marc Jacobs Marvelous Mousse Foundation, a little bit of powder. So now let's finish off the eyes. I think that I just want to use a little bit of this matte green on the bottom and the gold on the inner corner. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start with the gold. I really like the way that this turned out so far. I mean, the colors were nice. No complaints about this palette. So let's move on to the brows and try this brow bar palette. This is in the shade Light. Inside it's cute little compact with, it looks like 3 colors. It looks like one is a cream. Yeah, like a highlight color. And then we've got 2 brow shades right here. This is left over from the shadow, so ignore this one. So these are the brow powders, and this is like the highlight gel. It doesn't even say on the back what it is, and this box is so hard to read because it's metallic. Not a big fan of metallic boxes. All right, so I'm gonna start with the lighter color, and it does have a little mirror at the top, which is nice. It's falling on my face. So perhaps you have to wet the brush. And then taking the flat side, I'm gonna apply the brow highlighting cream underneath. Okay, that worked fine. Let's try this brow gel. Oh, it's a huge wand. I'm used to the smaller brow wands. There's no color to this one. I do prefer like a tinted brow mascara, but I mean, it looks okay. It looks very natural and fluffy. I don't generally reach for brow powders, but I mean, if this lasts all day long, I may find myself reaching for it more. It's just not my cup of tea per se. So last product is the Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, and I have the shade Halo. And I've been loving like glowy blushes lately, like the one that comes in the MAC Holiday Palette. It looks like this. It looks like a very mauve tone shade. And I don't really see much color coming off. Still not much. So we'll see how it applies to the face. I'll take one of my Sonia Kashuk brushes, dip in, and see what we can get here. It shows up better on the face than it did in the swatch. Okay, that's nice. I'm not sure this is really my shade. It's more of like a berry tone. And I don't really see much luminescence to it. It says that it's supposed to be like an illuminating blush. It looks very matte to me. I don't know, I'm not seeing it. I was really excited about this product, but I don't really love the color and I'm not really seeing much illumination in it. And yes, I know I am applying a lot, but I'm trying to see the color and see if there is some luminosity to it, and so far I'm just not seeing it. No, not a fan. I don't know, it doesn't look glowy to me, and it's a little bit too berry tone for my preference. I generally go peachy or more neutral. I can get away with a little bit of a pink, but I just don't think this is my color. So the products this month I was really excited about, and the only one that I actually ended up really liking is this Storybook Cosmetics palette. I think this is really pretty. Yes, it is large and bulky, but it's meant to look like a book, which I think is so cute. I could start like a beauty bookshelf between my Tarte Beauty palette and my Storybook Cosmetics palette. So there you go. I have the beginnings of a beautiful beauty bookshelf. Otherwise, I'm gonna say the products in here are a pass for me. I can't stand rose scented products, so this one is gonna be a gifted. The Brow Bar product, I don't particularly love all metallic packaging. It's just too hard to look at. It gets fingerprinted very quickly. I don't usually use powder brow products. That's not something I'm gonna reach for. I was so excited for the Ciate London blusher, but I just don't love the color on my skin tone, and it's not as glowy as I was hoping for. And then the brush cleanser, I just use bar soap when I clean my brushes and it works just fine. I don't really think I need like a gel cleanser to clean them. So I'm a little disappointed in the box this month. I like the shadow palette, but this is gonna be the only standout winner for the month. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the unboxing and try on of the December Boxycharm box. There's a discount code below if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm. It's only $25 a month and you get over $100 in products every month. Should have told you that at the beginning. I forgot to tell you guys how much everything retails for if you were to buy them outside of the Boxycharm. The shadow palette retails for $35. The Ciate London blush retails for $26. The brow bar palette retails for $30. The brush cleaner retails for $12. And the Elemis rose oil retails for $79. And you only pay $25 for the box. That's pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.